Hey everyone, I am in a fun one today. This is a 1939 Packard 1708 sports sedan with one-off custom coachwork by Bohman Schwartz. This is a very elegant and stylish Packard, and according to automotive historian and Packard aficionado Robert Turnquest, it's noted in his book, The Packard Story, as being the most expensive Packard built in 1939, coming in at $9,000. This example has been comprehensively restored under the same owner, a noted Packard collector for the last 20 years, and it is a blast to drive. Big, powerful V12 that is incredibly smooth, and you just float down the road. Be sure to stay tuned, as this is just a sneak peek into some of the phenomenal inventory and other automobiles that we'll be having at our 55th annual Auburn Auction and Show right here in Auburn, Indiana, Labor Day weekend. So